Yomi Fabiyi had really dug a lot of things out within these few months. He joined this justice movement. It's gonna be like say within many people who started this movement last year, not fit do for 1 year. Now within Yomi Fabiyi do in just a few months. You don't break another breakable evidence on top how Imole take by. Hell, of all indication, one person still remain the only person when everybody they carry big torch, they point for face, say na him kpai Imole. The story long o. I will play the video for you guys for more clarification. Justice for Mohbad, justice for Imole.
At the end of the day, everybody fake by glory and people want to collect glory. And it's so stupid, Lori Qwumwo Imole. People want to be known. People want to be a information. And what you've just said tonight with this guy talking about DPP, you just confirmed that, Monkoto wa nukini eh. This is just so stupid. And the problem is there's so many jobless men. So many jobless men in Nigeria. They are not doing nothing.
Dude. They were ambushing me. They wanted to know. At that time, Bobo Yomo ni pe ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ npa n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Mohbad nulé àti neighbor yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ pé òótọ́ ni mò ń sọ. But they don't know whether was I told, do I have the proof in my hand, or it was a narration. So only kò sọ yẹn sí mi ó fẹ́ sọ gẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ́bọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ bá rọ́ọ̀lù tí mo sáré protest àti mo sáré sọ̀rọ̀ pé tọ́ọ̀ bá ti ṣáàjì yẹn báyìí wọ́n máa mọ̀ pé ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi. But I get smart.
It's good. It's good that it didn't fall into their hands. And there are some people that ìjẹkújẹ tó máa jẹ láti fira wọn fún èṣù lò. So at the end of the day, we have seen this thing happen before. We have seen it happen before. And I don't want you to, because I look at these people, they are jobless. I'm telling you, I don't even play with all this. They are all jobless boys, men. They have to use justice for Mohbad to make money before they can eat. And you can see that they will go to any extent even to slander somebody's name. To slander somebody's name is like a passion for them. Àwọn ọmọ rádaràdá data àkójọ táwọn ìyá ti raise. Tọ́ lè múlé dúró. Tọ́ lè múṣẹ́ dúró. Tọ́ bá wá ní pé Nigerian youth are lazy. Òun náà lè rí yẹn. Laziness ni second name wọn. Ẹ sọ fún ọ pé kí justice kó fi justice sílẹ̀ kó lọ ṣiṣẹ́. Káwá nìkan tó lè ṣe. Tell them to leave justice. Even let us find out where they are coming from. Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ ti ṣe? What have you done? But you see that.
Because money, I have my own career.
That's what I'm saying. All leverage. They are leveraging on you, Yomi. They are leveraging. Wait, let me tell you something. I've realized this thing. That's what people say. There are a bunch of jobless men. In this case, there are a bunch of single women that have been hurt by men. There are a bunch of people that have hatred towards each other. Already what justice go better. So àwọn èèyàn tí wá gbé oríṣiríṣi dáradára òfò wá fún justice. And it's so annoying that we are trying to take steps forward and you have all these miscreants. I want to pay. I don't know what drives them.
Bounce back.
I don't know what drives them. Kí ló mú yín? So lẹ́nu kan wọ́n ló sọ pé more information. Last same breath náà ló tún sọ pé àwọn mẹ́ta ló ti indict. How do you get? Ṣé orí lẹ́tà yẹn lọ kọ sí ni? Ṣé lẹ́tà tó wà nínú ẹ̀ lọ kọ sí? Àbí báwo ni wọ́n ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn báyọ̀ ti indict? If not that you are dining and chopping with the devil.
I would have jumped and fired Ministry of Justice and Attorney General, and they will charge me. They will charge me completely. That where did you tell us?
Education.
Charges that day. It's
oh my God. I'm so on point. I'm so sorry I'm screaming. But it's so annoying.
I kept it to myself. Just stay me true. Let me fight this fight. I will be they just want me to accuse the lady or anybody wrongly and say they're back charge they charge bye. Then they will know, then they will come for me. The Minister of Justice will charge me for court contempt because DPP only right to charge anybody in court. And that don't call them and defend them. They can bring up charges against anybody in Lagos State. the federal DPP only allowed to charge anybody on any federal crime. Otoni Ironio, they can charge you. It is for you to go and present yourself and say, go on. So, Taban Brisa Kosorela, Mama Elo Bibo Boy straight. This one is not a justice fighter, a human rights fighter.
You can imagine.
Why will you be speaking on this? Tori?
I know there's no harm. You can. Is that same?
Bring it. Oh yeah, bring what you have.
This is the same thing that happened.
Oh yeah, show us.
Do people not learn from their mistakes, Yomi? Do people not learn?
O tún lọ sí party. O tún lọ wá irọ́ ńbẹ̀. O tún ní ó máa charge Yomi. Ó máa gbé mi lọ sí court níjọ́ kejì. Ó ní kò sáni àní. Only they are taking me to court. That means he knew. I don't know who he has been speaking with. I don't know what is going on. O tún gbé yẹn sọ fún Karimo. Ìyẹn náà jókòó sórí ẹ̀. Ìyẹn wá lọ bí nǹkan tó mú rí. Ó ní antenna òun ṣú ọ̀bàjẹ́.
Antenna.
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí castigate mi. Ọmọ ṣé wọ́n pé how can you suddenly switch? You are a mother for crying out loud. You want to lose the she's a mole. But I'm being honest with you guys. She is interested in justice for her, but we don't need it. So any means to destroy all the the only difference is that I will come on TikTok to intimate.
Yomi, don't get it twisted. Selected justice, everybody. Wow. Selective justice. To help me, justice to help me. Oma ko ẹ̀gbọ́n kò lè kọ àbúrò. Tó máa kọ ìyá kò lè kọ àbúrò, kò lè kọ bàbá. Tó máa kọ ìyàwó tí ò ní kọ́kọ́. Nǹkan tí everybody ń wá nìyẹn, and it cannot happen because at the end of the day.
Èmi ò lè ṣerú ẹ̀. I can't do it.
It cannot even happen that way. Orí olórí ò lè lọ sẹ́wọ̀n.
I am not after Duke. The Duke. Let's get it straight now. Èmi ò wà after anybody. As a matter of fact, kò ṣe pé inú bí mi sí against anybody pé ìwọ ló pa Mohbad. I am only interested in the rule of law, the truth, going after whoever by Mohbad. That is what the public wanted. That is what the law wanted. The investigation bá ti gbé jáde, kí ni tèmi? So it's not going to be me. N tó ṣe ni investigation gbé jáde, kò ṣe pé mo lọ bá fi kún. The only thing I will never do is I will never do that. So if you make attempt to cover it and investigation bring it out, how is that anybody's problem? It's what you did. Investigation and the truth brings out. I am looking for the truth. You want to cover the truth. But immediately is that. Go and face your music.
Yomi, DPP and this guy. What is the relationship? What's the relationship? What is the relationship? DPP and this. How do you check up where? Pé wá ìwọ ni afẹ́fún ní letter tí DPP fẹ́ release? Or is there an informant? Or is he part of them? Or because now.
Check Baba Fagun. Eléyìí ti lọ ti pẹ́. Kéèsì tó ní pẹ̀lú ìtọ́ni yẹn kékeré nìyẹn. Eléyìí is a serious one.
It's serious.
Tí bá fẹ́ bá Fagun mo kàn wá keep ẹ̀. Torí pé nígbà tí mo rí tó kí wá sọ pé mo fẹ́ rọ́rọ́. Tí mo rí tó sọ pé tó plan lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Kémi ṣé tí bá fẹ́ sàtọ́ni general wọ̀ nígbà mi lónìí. Ṣé kí n kàn fún yín ní flash kẹ́rí kí n kàn sáré ṣe fíìmù yẹn láàrin 24 hours pẹ̀lú tó wà lọ́wọ́ mi. Kẹ́lẹ́ bọ̀ kó jìnnà síra wọn. Tọ́ba wá káàkiri lẹ́bí ìfẹ́ mi tó fẹ́ lọ.
The point is, you shared enough. Toti Komainisi, I think you have to start refining them now, Yomi. You understand? Not everybody wants the kind of justice we're looking for. And I will explain to people the kind of justice I'm looking for, in case people I want you get it. Not just I want to talk about my back. I want to stop the case here from moving forward. I want to why in fact, I want to go nigi to dago. I want to go to check for. You know how Boshimantete, bribe. That is how I want all the people involved to be derobed. We should not be joking here. This is not a case of let's pardon this man. The Duke. It's not something that will move the motion on social media. If you want those things, that kind of a judgment to come up, and it over face here, on any time for you must be willing to face some attacks.
àwọn yẹn tó wà lókè ẹ wo bí sì ṣèbọn ọlọ́pàá kan ló kọ report fún ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá pé CCTV yẹn kò tiẹ̀ wà installed and we took as an expert in there with same police ẹni now in tó sì ṣe ogun ni pé wọn ò mọ bí tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn ti wá by now tẹ bá mú iye ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti gbé àtàwọn tí wọ́n lò pé ẹ lọ gbá ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Yomi yẹn ká lè mọ̀ they want to know where are they working from ká lè mọ̀ bí tá máa attack but number wọn ò lè mọ̀. I'm just facing it by myself.
Ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tá a fẹ́ face ọ̀tọ̀ nǹkan tá a fẹ́ mú sọ́wọ́.
Ṣé estate Mohbad sọ fún yín pé Mr. Yomi yẹn o he came in torí every process was followed ẹ wá wo yẹn time tó máa take wa ẹ dẹ̀ gbogbo yẹn bú mi bí èmi dẹ̀ face gbogbo yẹn yìí tó kù mi tí lè sọ mi ìgbọ́dọ̀ sọ
don't even say it Yomi let me tell you something as this case bó ṣe lọ ẹ àwọn ọ̀dàlẹ̀ pọ̀ gan nu kéèsì kò dẹ̀ sí ẹ tó safe àwọn ọ̀dàlẹ̀ pọ̀ gan and I know that àwọ̀ ara wọn náà lọ fún máa dalẹ̀ ara wọn take it or leave it ọwọ́ ara wọn Mohbad ló ń bá wọn jà you understand but your own safety is very very important because àwọn people fẹ́ gba ẹ̀jùlẹ̀ ní but Ọlọ́run lè fún wọn ṣe because I still wonder why people are trying to pull you down while you are fighting for a cause. Ìyá tó bí ọmọ kan fẹ́ fẹ́ wálẹ̀ àwọn àwọn òpèsè people fight justice ṣá gbogbo wa ń ṣe rádà ròdò rádà you know and let me tell you something all these people that mess up you have to start to disgrace them.
tó pè súnmọ́ mi ṣé mo fọ́ọ̀lù ni.
we have to
start to disgrace them. bọ́ọ̀lù tún pàṣàkóso òun ni kò sí wàhálà thank you so much Duke thank you.
kò sí wàhálà let me just leave it there.
everybody pay. Yeah, stay there. Don't go yet. Oh. Don't go yet. I must still bring you. Everybody, babe, unmute your mic and let's have your own submission. Everybody, babe, until move along. All right, and let's have a Wilistic. A Wilistic, are you there? Unmute your mic. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm here. Hi, Yomi. Good evening, sir.
Thank you for gifting my senators. A Wilistic, go on.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening. Thank you so much. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
You are
audible.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for all you do. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep protecting you and guide your steps all the way through. And the reason why I came up because earlier there's this guy called Top Movie. He was writing on the comment section that why did you build your house in the bush? So the reason why I came up because everybody here knows who Top Movie is. He's the conk justice obstructor. He's someone that has been on the movement since 2 years ago. So we all know him. So I just want to tell you
why did I build?
Yeah, he said why did you build your house in the bush? I don't know what he meant by that, but if you know that
was where they hid themselves.
Yeah. So
please, ẹ má jẹ́ ká lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn. Unpeel that's up here.
No, security conscious. No. That's what I'm trying to say is Mr. Yomi has to be sick because we know him. He has hacked into people's accounts. He has hacked into somebody's account. One of the guys in this justice for Mohbad. We know who Top Movie is. So I want Mr. Yomi to be really, really security conscious. Please, just make sure around your house, make sure there's security people with you there. Because for him to say that, if you know within yourself that what he's saying is the truth, then please, if it's a lie, if there's something like that, then just call it a bluff. But if you know it's the truth that, what he's saying is the truth,
it's true. One nation in Katu is living in the bush. But let me bust the bubble. Number one, in that community, they chose to honor me with the name of his street. So it is Yomi Fabiyi street, number one. Number two, it's my hometown. Nígbà tí bá ní mo fẹ́ lọ sílùú mi, mo fẹ́ lọ gbilẹ̀ ńbẹ̀. Tí bá ní kọ́lé síbò mi, mo kọ̀ pé àwọn fi lọ mi ni pé we honor you with a street name. You are doing well. So nígbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ rí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ibẹ̀ lọ ti lé ambush níjọ́sí kó tó di pé mo sá lọ. So when the information got to me that Yomi, move immediately, don't go to that your house, don't go to where they know you. Wọ́n sọ ibi mẹ́ta tí wọ́n ti lè rí mi nínú Abẹ́òkúta pé tí n bá ti lọ bẹ̀ finishing ni. And I was few hours going home. Ilé tí wọ́n pè ń bush yẹn, I was few hours going to go and sleep. Unfortunately, bóyá èmi àti èèyàn kọ́lá kan bá jọ sọ, èmi nìkan bá sunu lé yẹn. Nígbà yẹn, they would have taken my life conveniently that day. Ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti rò pé okay, ó ti escape ìta múlẹ̀ fún. Let's focus on the protest, House of Assembly. He will definitely come. Ó ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, Yomi will come. And I played smart. I didn't cancel the protest. I went straight to the airport. From the airport, mo ṣe kíni, ogbo òru yẹn, èmi ti jápa. Torí mi tí mo tó lé mi gbà yẹn. Hold on, guys. Hold on. What? Ma'am?
I'll calm down now. That's just what I wanted to talk about. I'll calm down now. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless.
That was when they thought I was going to go home that day. That was on the 28th of September. They thought I was going to go home. I was preparing to go home. Now, if you try it, you are gone. Ha, Taleni, Kilo Shele. I thought it was because of the protest. I've actually on the 30. So I did not go home. Mo fi mo kari mo shagidi. Mo ko she mistake shagidi ni, I'm gone. Mo wa move Chrome bit mo wa. Only Chrome bit to bugo bit mo ko ma lo, don't go there. Ha, Taleni, Kilo Shele. Mo ba move. Mo ko sáré gbé báàgì tí ma báàgì ni e mo ko gbé ni. Luckily tí mo ṣe wa mo ko bá pali mi be mo ni thank God. Ọlọ́run pé mo ti mú pali yẹn dání. 3 days before tí wọ́n invite me lọ se ko tí sínú kini. So bag yẹn ṣì wà níbi tí mo gbé sí. So when I got that information, I picked the bag. Aṣọ kan ló wà nínú ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú aṣọ tí mo wọ̀. Aṣọ mo bá ti wá fi ṣe show. Mo ṣe gbéra nìyẹn. Mo wá sá lọ sí all tí mo ti ṣe birthday mi. When I now noticed movement, àwọn olóòtú gbé súnmọ́ mi. Tí ma fi sáré bọ́ta tí ma fi wọ mọ́tò. Ó dínú bí tí mo lọ sùn tí mo ṣe fídíò ẹ̀ fún yín yẹn. Àwọn yẹn bí tí wọ́n wà ńbẹ̀. Àwọn yẹn náà tún wá ṣe kíni àgbàlagbà ni wọ́n ṣe wá béèrè sí. Láwọn yẹn ní bá yẹn wá ní kò jọ ṣe àwọn ò lè gbà kẹ́ kúrò bí yòówó ọmọ yín. Ẹni tó mú yín wá yìí lòun mọ̀. Ohun tó ń rí ikú ni o. Ẹni tó fún yín information yẹn confirm ni wọ́n ṣe fi mí sílẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ibẹ̀ ni mo ti message ẹni tí mo message pé mo sáré your SIM card mi ṣe o. Please, I need to get out of this country immediately. Ni lady yẹn, one of my fans náà ni America ló wà ní New York. Ibẹ̀ ní Staten Island. Ibẹ̀ ló ti ṣe kíni wọ́n ti sáré bá mo kàn send number agent yẹn pé get me out. That was how I got to the airport and I went away. Ìjọ 30 yẹn ni wọ́n dùnnú because there was corona inquest. Wọ́n dùnnú pé kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ rí Yomi will come for the protest. I kept posting as if I was coming to the protest. Meanwhile, I was already at the airport. King Boss can bear me witness. I was contemplating with her. Money, do I cancel the protest? She said, no, don't cancel it. Well, okay. Money, because, only, no, don't cancel it for me. So I'm going to travel. And I, okay, no problem. I said, no problem. Moi, face here, Lord. But it was security. Most likely, we are on kí n pè. The commissioner of police ní kí n pè. For security, for protest. Mo rí pé go mo tún pè no assembly. Àwọn DSS tó wà ní assembly. Ẹ bá mi protect àwọn tó ń bọ̀ àwọn ní kí n má worry. Ṣé wá mo no okay, no problem. They thought it is I'm going to be there too. But don't worry, Yomi, we cannot allow anything to happen to you. Okay, everybody is secured. Let me move. I'm the center of attraction. Ẹni tó fẹ́ gbẹ̀mí mi máa tẹ̀lé mi lọ bí ti fẹ́ lọ sùn ni. That was why they were jubilating that if this Yomi is taken out, good. Possibly, kò jẹ́ pé wọ́n tún ti lọ dání ọlọ́dáfà àbí wọ́n ti lọ ṣò. Yomi yẹn gan ni wàhálà o. Mo wá wò pé mi ti mọ àwọn tó wà ń di ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. In tó sọ fún mi ní pé kí n yẹra kúrò ní gbogbo yẹn fún 7 days. Níbo mo fẹ́ yẹra sí kí ni mo pa ebi ò kàn lè máa wò pàkọ́ mi Nàìjíríà kọjá gbogbo pátápátá yẹn. Èmi ò ṣẹ́ràn olúkan o. Mo ṣe yára lónìí yẹn. Mo dé lóyìnbó. What you get going and he said in another 10 days, they will track you that Asha tracker wa. Toma ma address ibi tí mo wà. mo just SIM card mi náà ni for a month plus àṣẹ gbogbo yẹn mo láti mo sá kiri ọdẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀ lọ ti ń ju àrò fún mi Yomi fẹ́ lọ asylum Yomi fẹ́ kiri kan ni Yomi gbowó sá lọ mo kọ́ báyìí pé kí ni kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe kí owó kí lẹ̀ àwọn wo ló ń bá mi pò gangan náà mo bá di kí ni gbogbo level tó bá mi pò ṣé bí wọn lọ ní plenty enemy ṣé máa ma jogún àwọn ọ̀tá ọ̀báyọ̀mí ti wà ní orúkọ mi èwo tún ní plenty enemy tẹ́mi náà tó fẹ́ jogún lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ṣé dandan ní ká jà fún mo ṣe rògbò òkè o tó wáyé pé níbi yẹn yẹ ká jọ sọ face ara wa. That was what happened. So they know what they are saying. Tó bá di bí báyìí mo kọ́lé sí. Torí pé wọ́n ti mọ̀ ìlú mi ni. Mi sọ wípé VGC mo lọ kọ́lé sí. Nígbà tí mi ní pretend. Eye kan náà ló ń ta cement everywhere. Gbogbo material eye kan náà ni over 100 and something million ni mo fi kọ́lé ni. So wọ́n bá ní mo kọ́ sí pátápúpá, àbí mo kọ́ sókè bẹ̀sì, àbí mo kọ́ owó ni mo ṣàná. Mo dẹ̀ lágùn fíìmù mo tà káàkiri. I sold my movie to do it.
Mr. Yomi, I greet you. Madam Abike, thank you so much. My honorable senators, the convener of this beautiful platform discussion, I really greet everyone and the comment section as well. I will start with the Yoruba adage that says, Imunika ká gbóhùn ṣèbí. Imunika kò jẹ́ ká gbóhùn àṣebí. Can you hear me?
We can hear you. Go on.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Clear.
We can hear you very loud and clear. Go on, please.
Wow.
Thank
Go
you.
ahead, please.
Thank you. Thank you. So, okay, thank you. So, you see, Yomi, I do tell Mr. Yomi some things, but I think that Yomi with the informations, like, it's not that I'm sure that the government.
Firefox, your network.
Okay, let me.
Network is now giving up again.
The network is bad.
If I,
Yeah.
Your network is bad, Firefox.
The voice is making. Everybody.
some
Let me just quickly go on before, at least before another person comes up. Yomi, how are you doing? I'm always so happy to hear you. But me, Vekoma, I don't want you to be, losing your strength for all this. At the end of the day, everybody fake back glory and people want to collect glory. And it's so stupid, Lori Qwumwo Imole. People want to be known. People want to be a information. And what you've just said tonight with this guy talking about DPP, you just confirmed that, Monkoto wa nukini this is just so stupid. And the problem is there's so many jobless men. So many jobless men in Nigeria. They are not doing nothing.
Deal. They were ambushing me. They wanted to know. At that time, Qwumwo Imole pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ ń pa ń tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Mohbad nulé àti neighbor yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ pé òótọ́ ni mò ń sọ, but they don't know whether was I